In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Notion app step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Notion is one of the most powerful productivity tools available, and you can use it for notes, task management, project planning, and so much more. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basic building blocks of Notion and how to start creating your own pages with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open your Notion app. You can do this on desktop, web, or mobile because Notion works very similarly across all platforms. Once you're inside Notion, you'll see your workspace on the left and your main editing area in the center. This is where all your pages and content live. To get started, click on a new page or an empty area so you can begin creating content. Now, the first thing you want to do is add a relevant title to your page. At the very top of the page, click where it says Add a Title and type something meaningful, like meeting notes, daily tasks, or project ideas. Your title helps you quickly identify what this page is about later, especially as your workspace grows and you create more pages over time. After adding your title, let's move on to adding content. Click below the title and start a new line. One simple and useful thing you can add is a bullet point using a star symbol. You can type an asterisk followed by a space or use the / command menu to insert a bullet. Bullet points are great for quick notes, ideas, or listing important information. Notion's core functionality stays the same no matter which device you're using, so once you learn this, you can use it anywhere. Next, click on a new line and add a header. Headers help organize your page and make it easier to read. To do this, type a / and then type header, and select the header option you want. You can choose between different header sizes depending on how important that section is. Headers are perfect for separating topics, sections, or different parts of your notes. Now let's add something even more powerful, a to-do list. On a new line, type /to-do and select the to-do list option. This creates a checkbox that you can click to mark tasks as complete. To-do lists are one of the most popular features in Notion because they're simple, flexible, and easy to organize. You can create daily task lists, project checklists, or even habit trackers using this feature. As you continue adding content, remember that Notion is built around blocks. Every piece of content, whether it's text, a header, a bullet point, or a to-do item, is its own block. You can click and drag these blocks to rearrange them, duplicate them, or delete them entirely. This makes it incredibly easy to restructure your page whenever you want. Once you've added your title, bullet points, headers, and to-do lists, you've learned the basics of how to use the Notion app. From here, you can explore more advanced features like databases, templates, and integrations, but mastering these fundamentals is the most important first step. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to open Notion, create a page, add a title, use bullet points, add headers, and create to-do lists. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.